Okay, so number 18, our final problem. Chi has 144 books to place equally on 6 bookshelves. Which equation can you use to find out how many books will be on each bookshelf? So I have to think, what operation am I doing here? So this problem is mostly about books. So my important numbers are 144 books, and he's placing the books equally on 6 bookshelves. So I have my big number, and I'm taking these books and I'm splitting them up. So since I'm splitting them up, I know that I am separating them. So if I'm separating, I'm either subtracting or I'm dividing. And because I am dividing that, because I'm putting them on, I give it away, because I'm putting them on 6 bookshelves in equal groups, if I'm using equal groups, that means that I can divide. I could also subtract. I could subtract groups of 6 to do that, but it's going to be a little bit faster if I use division. So here, I'm taking 144 books, and I'm dividing them up onto 6 bookshelves. So then I would just have to figure out how many books would go on each bookshelf. But I don't even have to do that for this problem. All I have to do is figure out which matches. So my answer would be B. I'm using division to figure out this problem.